Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a super cool tool called Grok AI. If you're not familiar with it, Grok AI is an artificial intelligence platform that helps you analyze and interpret data in a way that's never been done before. So let's dive in and see how we can harness the power of Grok AI to make our lives easier and more efficient. The first step is to sign up for an account on the Grok AI website. It's really simple. Just enter your email address and create a password, and you'll be ready to start exploring the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll see a sleek and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and find what you need. Now let's talk about how to input your data into Grok AI. Whether you have a spreadsheet, a database, or even just a list of numbers, Grok AI can handle it all. Simply upload your data file and let the platform work its magic. Grok AI will automatically clean, organize, and analyze your data to uncover insights that you may have never thought possible. One of the coolest features of Grok AI is its ability to create visualizations that bring your data to life. From pie charts to scatter plots to heat maps, Grok AI has a wide range of visualization options that make it easy to understand and communicate your findings. You can even customize the colors, labels, and design elements to suit your personal style. But the real power of Grok AI lies in its machine learning capabilities. By training a model on your data, Grok AI can predict future trends, detect anomalies, and even identify patterns that you may have overlooked. This can be incredibly useful for businesses looking to optimize their operations, researchers seeking new insights, or anyone who wants to make better decisions based on data. Another key feature of Grok AI is its ability to collaborate with others. You can easily share your analyses, visualizations, and models with colleagues, clients, or collaborators, making it easy to work together on projects and harness the collective wisdom of your team. This collaborative aspect of Grok AI can lead to faster, more accurate results, and ultimately improve the quality of your work. And finally, let's talk about how to interpret the results of your analysis. Grok AI provides detailed reports and summaries that explain the significance of your findings and guide you through the next steps. Whether you're a data novice or a seasoned expert, Grok AI's user-friendly interface and clear explanations make it easy to understand and act on your insights. In conclusion, Grok AI is a game changer for anyone who works with data. Whether you're a business analyst, a researcher, a student, or just someone who loves to explore new technologies, Grok AI can help you unlock the hidden potential of your data and make smarter decisions. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free trial of Grok AI today and start exploring the endless possibilities that this amazing tool has to offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips, tutorials, and reviews of the latest tech tools. Until next time, happy data analyzing with Grok AI.